Hello everybody, it's Phonics and we're carrying on with group 5. Well done for all your learning about Yesterday we were doing and our first job today is going to be to read some of those words together and check that you can hear the sounds that you're saying and what word it makes. Next, number 2, we're going to introduce our new sound, and last but not least, it will be your job to read and match some 4-sound words. So let's get going. Here are words. Let me move myself out of the way a little bit. We're going to start with the red one, and you can pause the video so that you can sound out. When you finish reading the word, press play again and I will sound out so that we can check together. We'll do each word one at a time. So start with the red one, sound out on your own and blend, and we'll see if you're right. Pause the video. Okay, let's check. Ing. Ring. Brilliant. Let's come across to this long one. You might want to do the first word first and then the second word. Have a go. Pause the video. Here we go then. Ping. Pong. Ping pong. Were you right? There's that game of table tennis. Ping pong. Down to this one then. Pause the video to sound out. Wing. Brilliant. Down to the green one. Sound out. King. Brilliant. If you sounded out king, well done. There's one more. Sound out the blue one. Sing. Fantastic. If you weren't sure about any of those, you could go back and try again. So our new sound for today is V. And we do this because it makes us think of a van. Van. V. All you've got to do with a V is start at the top, come down and back up. Vic drives his van through the village. There's lots of V sounds there. Vic, van, village. Waving to his friends. He drives past Val's fruit and veg shop. The van makes a V sound. Over here we've got a few words. Now you can read the first one, but for the other two we haven't learnt those sounds yet. So would you like to sound out this word at the top? Pause the video now. That one was vest. Vest. Some people wear a vest under their t-shirt. I'll sound out these ones for you. Very. Very. And drive. Drive. Great. What about this big word up here? Can you read that? Pause the video. Of course you can. It's van. Brilliant. Van. Van. As normal then, everybody, you do need to practice our new sound. So we go down. Oh, I'm a bit wobbly today. Down and back up. to make v. Just like normal, please practice this sound 5 times. Pause the video to make sure that you've written it 5 times. Super stuff, everybody. I've been seeing a lot of amazing writing in people's books with their careful pencils, so well done if that's you that's taking extra care. Your last job today then will be a read and match, and if you want to, writing as well, but you don't have to do that. If you want to do it with your flashcards, that's cool, or your tiles, then brilliant, but today I do only really want to see the reading and matching. So, here are the 4 words that you're going to be reading, but let me tell you what they are. Here, this shows a first prize. That means it's the best. Best. This is a nest. This is a vest. And this person's having a little rest. If you do decide to write them today, you'll notice that it's not very hard work because you're only swapping the first sound today, as all of these words rhyme. They all end in est. Well done, everyone. I can't wait to see your v practice and your careful reading and matching.